Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to send large files on Google Drive. As you know, Gmail has a file size limit of 25 MB. So, if you have a file larger than that, you will need to use Google Drive. So, for that first you have to open your Gmail and compose a new mail. Okay, and here click the Google Drive icon in the compose toolbar. So this is the Google Drive icon, you just need to click over here, and from here you have to click on upload, and now you need to select your file from your device. You can directly drag files over here. So I need to click select files from your device. I have one sample file in my desktop. I need to just select it and click on open. And here you can see there is a message showing, because you selected more than 25 MB to attach to this email, the selected attachment will be shared via a drive link. Okay, so now you need to click on upload, and the uploading process is going on. You can see over here, it will take some time depending on your file size. Once the uploading process was done, you can see there is your files. Now you need to send it. So once you click on send, one message will pop up. Here you need to give some permission. There is a 3 types of permissions: viewer, commenter and editor. If you select viewer, it allows them to view the file only, and if you select commenter, it allows them to add comments but not edit the file. And whereas if you select editor, it grants full access, allowing them to edit the file. So I am going to select editor and click on send. So that's how you send a large files on Google Drive. So it's a great solution for sharing files with others. I hope this video was helpful. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.